To connect to the Wi-Fi, all we're going to need to do is once you're on your airplane, you can actually just go into the settings on your phone and click on the Wi-Fi option. When you click on this, you'll actually be brought to the screen like so, where your Wi-Fi will actually load. And you just want to click on your plane's Wi-Fi like so. In doing so, there may be a pop-up, likely will be, and you can actually watch movies, TV shows, and anything else that it may include. But if you actually want to get the Wi-Fi to use calls, text, or use the internet, something that is not the basic movies, you're actually going to have to pay a small fee for it. Now, it's $8 for the average plane, but some can range up to $25. So basically, depending on how long your flight is, you just want to go to their website, the name of the airline.com, and you can basically see the prices for the mileage of the Wi-Fi. And if you wish to use it on multiple devices, it will actually only be used on one device at a time. You cannot use it on multiple devices at once. You can only use it on one computer, phone, and it will actually switch devices when you switch devices on which one you're actually trying to use. And that's about it when it uses multiple devices.